Today's question is: what is the difference between active and passive voice? In English, sentences can be written in two ways: active voice and passive voice. Understanding the difference between them helps make your writing clearer and more interesting. We will explore both types of voice, how to recognize them, and see some examples to help you understand their usage better. Let's begin with the active voice. Active voice is when the subject of the sentence performs the action. The pattern we follow is subject plus verb plus object. Let me give you some examples. The cat chased the mouse. Here, the subject is the cat. The verb is chased and the object is the mouse. The cat is performing the action. Second example, I read the book. The subject is I, the verb is read, and the object is the book. The action is being done by the subject. So remember, in active voice, the subject is the one doing the action. Now let's talk about the passive voice. In passive voice, the focus of the sentence changes. Instead of focusing on who did the action, we focus on what the action was done to. The pattern for passive voice is object plus verb in past participle plus by plus subject. Let's look at some examples. The mouse was chased by the cat. Notice how the focus shifts to the mouse. The cat who performed the action is mentioned at the end of the sentence. Second example, the book was read by me. Here, the focus is on the book, and the person who read it is mentioned later. So take note that passive voice often makes the sentence sound more formal or distant. It's commonly used in reports or when the subject is unknown.